Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are talking about top 5 most difficult languages to learn. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Language learning is a way to connect with individuals from all over the world. A person who can interact with people using a basic phrase is better than seeing another language as gibberish. When it comes to the ease of learning a new language, no two languages are similar. That's because the ease of learning depends on the native language. Languages from the same family tree from which your mother language originated are easier to learn. People see English as hard to learn, but English speakers find it more difficult to learn other languages. We did a bit of research to present the top 5 most challenging languages to learn and why it's hard to understand these. So let's get started. Number 1. Arabic. The most challenging language from the top 5 hardest languages to learn for an English speaker is Arabic. It has an entirely foreign alphabet. Moreover, the individuals find it challenging to get along with the script and direction of reading. The speech patterns and sounds of Arabic are far more different than English. The rest of the Germanic languages possess the same cognates and vocabularies. Number 2. Mandarin. Mandarin is a language that belongs to the Chinese language group. It's one of the most spoken languages in the world. Still, for a native English speaker, learning Mandarin is a big deal. It is a tonal language, and every sound in Mandarin system contains different pronunciations. The Chinese language is so rich in homophones, and it's full of idioms and aphorisms. All these idioms are derived over a long course of history. These facts make it very difficult for a person to learn Mandarin unless he knows a bit about this culture. Adding more spice, this language has its alphabet. Number 3. Japanese. Belonging to the top 5 hardest languages to learn, Japanese is more comfortable speaking compared to Mandarin. But what makes it exist in this list? Japanese has a wide range of alphabets that need to be learned before writing in this language. It has its own 3 independent writing systems known as hiragana, katakana, and kanji. These writing systems have further thousands of alphabets and characters, which might be difficult for an English speaker to learn. Number 4. Hungarian. Hungarian grammar seems like the road to death for an English speaker. Because Hungarian grammar rules are the most difficult to learn, this language has 26 different cases. The suffixes dictate the tense and possession, and not the word order. That is how most of the European languages deal with this problem. Moreover, the cultural elements of Hungarian make it more challenging to learn. These cultural overtones, like Japanese, make this language even harder to learn in isolation. Number 5. Korean. Korean has no genealogical relationship to other languages. It makes it the most strange and unique language. There are lots of challenges in this language, like its own alphabet and complex grammar. Moreover, this language has a particular word order. In other words, Korean is like no different language that you may have heard. For example, the Korean language describes the subject depicted first, then comes the object, and finally ends with action. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.